may be considering filing a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. A Chapter 13 may be beneficial for you if you are facing foreclosure and want to save your home. A Chapter 13 is a reorganization that allows you to enter into a payment plan to pay back your lender instead of paying the amount you owe all up front, all at once. A Chapter 13 also allows you to eliminate your credit card debt, and if you have a second mortgage on your home, it may allow you to eliminate that as well. A Chapter 13 will help you rebuild your credit immediately. So if you are facing foreclosure and want to save your home and you think a Chapter 13 may be beneficial for you, then come in and sit down with one of our attorneys and allow us to help you out, assess your situation, and get you back on track.